Alright, 2007 Mercedes-Benz S550. Everybody should know how to take this housing off, just in case you don't know. That's how it originally comes in. This right here goes right in here. This don't come off until you take this off. In order to take this off, you have to move this lever. That lever right there goes to right on this piece right here. So you move that back like so. Then you'll be able to take this off along with that piece off. And then you can take these off. Comes off really easy. Now, here's the thing. I was following somebody on YouTube on removing this thing. That's what made me make the video today for this 2007 Mercedes-Benz S550. To remove this, that goes right in here. Right in here. To remove this, there's a piece that goes right in here, which I saved right here. This piece goes right in here, and it goes in. So don't break this piece. Use a flathead. I use a flathead to just gently pry it out just a little bit, just so it can move. Then I use this tool right here. Alright? Then as you can see, it won't come off just as easy. But if you use this to press down on this piece, I'm gonna press down on that piece and then slide it out. It's the only way it's gonna come out. The purpose of this video is for the mass airflow to be clean and to remove it. This piece inside of here, as you can see here, I'm trying to get a good angle here. Right there, this is rubber. So I'm trying to do it with one hand. Sorry guys. There's a clamp back there as well. So I'm trying to do everything on one hand here. Trying to do this video. I'm gonna pause it so I can take that out, and then I'm gonna show you how I did it. Alright, I got it. So this piece goes right in here. You get a flathead and push this piece. You push this piece just like so. Just push it back and then wiggle this thing right out of there. Mass airflow sensor, that's it right there. Nothing more to it. That's it right there. My purpose of the video, you clean it with a mass airflow sensor cleaner. Put it on the ground, spray it, and you're good to go. Then just do everything in reverse. Put it right back together. Hope everybody got this a lot more better than what I did, or what I got out of YouTube. But this is your mass airflow. That's about it, yo.